till bandar we completed. Bhalu, bandar. Okay, very good. Ivan is showing his homework. Very good, Ivan completed. Can you read, Ivan? Ivan Nirmal, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Guy, cow, goat, rabbit, hathi, elephant,
hathi, elephant,
Ghoda, horse, Sher, lion, Balu, bear, Bandar, monkey.
Till there we completed. Balu. Okay. Agnel Joshi, can you read? Agnel, jaldi padho.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed now, everyone. Yeah. Read.
Cow. Yeah.
No, guy.
Guy. Rabbit.
Rabbit का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है?
खरगोश.
Rabbit. Next word.
Elephant.
Elephant का हिंदी वर्ड बताओ. You have to read हिंदी word. क्या है elephant का हिंदी word? Identify the letter. Which letter? Ha plus a. Tha plus e. कैसे पढ़ेंगे? हा plus a. हाथी. हाथी. Elephant. Who is happy? Elephant. Next word.
Lion.
हिंदी वर्ड बताओ. कैसे पढ़ेंगे लायन का वर्ड? शेर. कौन है? लायन. Next word. Agnel is not reading at all. When you are writing, you should read. Renfred, read. Renfred, listen. Bhalu.
Bear.
Bear.
Bandar, monkey. Ghoda, horse.
Okay. Ghoda, horse. That much only completed. No, Renfred. Pado. Renfred, read.
Happy, elephant, खरगोश, rabbit, Ghoda, horse, Balu, bear, Bandar, monkey.
Finish. Yeah. Okay, that much you completed. Did you study tiger? क्या है हिंदी word tiger का? याद है आपको? Anybody know? निवेदित, आदिदेव बताओ. टाइगर का हिंदी वर्ड हमने पढ़ा. टाइगर. शेर कौन है? टाइगर है और लायन. Lion. Yeah, I will teach you. Okay. The next we are going to study which word? Tiger. कौन है टाइगर? देखो टाइगर हम कैसे लिखेंगे. तो आपने ये लिखा गाय कंप्लीट किया. I will write once again this all जानवरों के नाम which you learn. देखो जानवर. जानवरों के नाम. जानवरों के नाम. पहले कौन है? Which one we learn? पढ़ो. गाय. कौन है गाय? cow. गाय. उसके बाद ये खरगोश. कौन है खरगोश? खरगोश. rabbit. The next word क्या है? घोड़ा. Who is घोड़ा? घोड़ा. और ये हाथी. हाथी means
Elephant.
हाथी के बाद कौन सा वर्ड पढ़ा हम? घोड़ा, हाथी, शेर. शेर. और नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या है? भालू. भालू. और बंदर. कितना? गाय, खरगोश, घोड़ा, हाथी, शेर, भालू और बंदर. अब हम एट वन भाग. देखो भाग के साथ आ और घा जोड़ने से क्या बना? भाग. क्या है? भाग. भाग का मतलब है टाइगर. कौन है बाघ? टाइगर।
Tiger.
हाँ, कैसे लिखेंगे देखो, भाग, ख, एक ख, आपने ख, ख, घ और घ पढ़ा, ये लेटर है ग, नॉट द। ऐसे एक और लेटर है द, दैट इज द, ओके, इट इज ग, भाग, पढ़ो, भाग टाइगर,
Dog.
टाइगर,
Tiger.
भाग टाइगर।
Bug. Tiger.
और 9th वन हमने पढ़ा है, याद है आपको, ये कौन है, भा प्लस ई डबल ला, ल प्लस ला,
Billy.
हाँ बिल्ली, ये कौन है बिल्ली,
Cat.
हाँ घर में, घरेलू जानवर है बिल्ली, कैट। और द नेक्स्ट वन, आप, ये आपको पता है कौन है, का प्लस ऊ डबल ता प्लस ता, कुत्ता, हु इज कुत्ता,
Dog.
डॉग, कौन है कुत्ता, डॉग।
Dog.
भाग टाइगर, रीड भाग टाइगर,
Bug. Tiger.
बिल्ली कैट,
Billy. Cat.
कुत्ता डॉग,
Kutta. Dog.
भाग टाइगर।
Bug. Tiger.
All should read, don't write first, you have to read, after only you can start writing. Read भाग tiger,
Bug. Tiger.
बिल्ली cat,
Billy. Cat.
कुत्ता dog.
Kutta. Dog.
Okay, today we learn which three more जानवरों के नाम, कौन है वो, भाग टाइगर,
Bug. Tiger.
बिल्ली cat,
Billy. Cat.
कुत्ता डॉग।
कुत्ता डॉग।
हाँ, अपने रफ बुक बोलो सब और ये लिखो पहले, भाग टाइगर, 5 बार लिखो, रीड एंड राइट, ओके, भाग टाइगर, रीड भाग टाइगर,
Write and study this now.
राइट एंड स्टडी दिस 8th वन, भाग टाइगर।
How many times?
5 times, 5 times. Take your rough book everyone. Giselle, Andrea, Shine, Agnel. Read भाग, क्या है वो वर्ड, भाग टाइगर। Start writing Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhag tiger.
Dog.
After I will make you to read all this. Everybody should read. Bhag tiger.
Bird.
Next word क्या है, बिल्ली,
Dog.
पहले भाग टाइगर लिखो, भाग टाइगर।
Tiger. Ma'am, after write and study bag, should we read this one time?
Yeah, you have to read every words. Next, after all, ask.
Ma'am, 8th one.
Bhag tiger.
Bag. Bag.
Those who don't know to read and write. Bhag tiger. Bhag.
Bag. Tiger. Bag. Tiger. Bag. Tiger. Billy. Cat.
Next word क्या है, बिल्ली, cat. बिल्ली.
Cat. Billy. Cat. Billy. Cat. Billy. Cat. Billy. Cat.
Esther, read and write, Esther. Who is writing? Please read. Then kutta. Kutta means dog. Kutta, dog.
Dog. Kutta, dog. Kutta, dog. Kutta, dog. Kutta, dog. Kutta, dog. Now finish.
Completed.
Finish.
Who told it's finish? Esther.
Joshi.
Agdal Joshi can read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Tiger.
हिंदी वर्ड पढ़ो, टाइगर आपको पता है, you have to study हिंदी वर्ड। Agnel. भाग,
Bag.
टाइगर,
Tiger. बिल्ली, कैट, कद्दू।
कद्दू नहीं है, कद्दू कैसे लिखेंगे, कद्दू कौन सी चीज है, कद्दू एक सब्जी का नाम है। ये देखो, का के बाद ऊ की मात्रा है ना, ऊ, कु, तो कैसे पढ़ेंगे, कु, और त और ता, त प्लस ता जोड़ा, त और ता जोड़ने से त, ता। उसके साथ आ की मात्रा जोड़ा तो कुत्ता बन गया, कुत्ता। क्या है? कुत्ता। हाँ,
डॉग।
डॉग। इसे पढ़ो। Read the
I
box.
all right.
10 time, Agnel Joshi. Okay, you have to read. Sriya, can you read? Sriya, read.
Billy.
कौन सा word है? Which word on words you are reading?
What? Billy.
Sriya, start from guy. Guy.
Guy.
हाँ,
Gargosh.
हाँ,
Goda.
हाँ,
हाँ.
हाँ। लेटर कौन सा है ये? हा, हा, हाथी। पढ़ो, हाथी।
हाथी.
हम्म,
कुत्ता.
शेर।
Dog.
भाग। पढ़ो, भाग। I can't hear you. Louder, भाग। बिल्ली।
बात.
हाँ,
बिल्ली.
बिल्ली। लास्ट वर्ड क्या है? कुत्ता। रीड कुत्ता, डॉग। कुत्ता, डॉग।
Ma'am, I write and finished.
1 minute. Fida, Fida Fasal, unmute and read. Fida. First words, guy onwards, guy.
Guy.
Guy का नाम।
Gargosh. घोड़ा. हाथी. शेर.
शेर। ये आज हमने क्या पढ़ा?
भालू.
भालू। भालू।
बंदर.
बंदर। ये कौन सा वर्ड है? भाग। पढ़ो, भाग। भाग, टाइगर। भाग मीन्स बिल्ली, कैट।
बिल्ली, कैट.
कुत्ता, डॉग. ओके। अमाजिया,
Ma'am, can I read? Saharish can read.
अमाजिया, read. Sarish, read then. Sarish, completely.
Yes. Guy, cow. Gargosh, rabbit. Ghoda, horse. Hathi, elephant. Sher, lion. Balu, bear. Bandar, monkey. Bag, tiger. Cat. Kutta, dog.
Yeah, very good. Now Adidev, Adidev Sian, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Bug, tiger, billy, cat, kutta, dog.
Read from beginning. Guy also read. Guy.
Guy, tiger.
Guy.
Cow.
Next word, Hindi word ही पढ़ो. घर. खरगोश. पढ़ो. खरगोश. नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या है आदिदेव? थर्ड वर्ड घो.
मलयालम. घोड़ा.
घोड़ा. नेक्स्ट. हाथी. नेक्स्ट वर्ड. शेर. भालू.
भालू.
भूल गए आप? हमने ऊ की मात्रा में भालू पढ़ा, अंक की मात्रा में बंदर पढ़ा. वी स्टडी दिस ऑल वर्ड. एक ही मात्रा से शेर लिखा, ओ की मात्रा से घोड़ा लिखा. आप लोग वो मात्रा सब भूल गया? सब भूल गए? Did all once again, everybody read Bhag, tiger.
Bag, tiger.
Bhilli, cat.
Billy, cat.
Some are not reading. I told you to read. I can see your face, those who are not reading. Please read, everyone. Bhag, tiger.
Bag, tiger.
Bhilli, cat.
Billy, cat.
Kutta, dog.
Kutta, dog.
Guy, cow.
Guy, cow.
Khargosh, rabbit.
Khargosh, rabbit.
Khoda, horse.
Ghoda, horse.
Hathi, elephant.
Hathi, elephant.
Sher, lion.
Chair, lion.
Bhalu, bear.
Balu, bear.
Bandar, monkey.
Bandar, monkey.
Bhag, tiger.
Bag, tiger.
Billi, cat.
Billy, cat.
Kutta, dog.
Kutta, dog.
Yeah. Anybody have any doubt? Anybody don't know to read any words? You can ask now. Children, I make you to unmute. If you don't know to read any words, you can ask. Everybody should check. Try to read all the words. If you have any doubt, any word you cannot read, you can ask now.
Guy, cow, Gargosh, rabbit, Balu, bear.
Completed, everyone? Did all completed? Write and studied. Adrinath, please read. Others, please mute. Okay, Adrinath will read. Let me check. You don't have any doubt. Everybody knows to read every word. You did not ask any doubt. So I think everybody can read. Very good. Keep it up. Now Adrinath can read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Other all mute. Adrinath.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Guy,
onwards.
cow, Gargosh, rabbit,
Very good.
Hathi, elephant,
Third one.
Ghoda, horse, Hathi, elephant, then Sher,
Others
lion.
don't help. Let him to read.
Ma'am, Sher, lion, Balu, bear, Bandar, monkey. Ma'am, abhi gayi video show.
Wait. Read. Eighth one. क्या है new word? Today we studied tiger का हिंदी word क्या है? Adrinath बताओ.
Dog, tiger.
Very good. Next.
Billy, cat.
Last word. Dog का हिंदी word क्या है? Dog.
Kutta, dog.
Gutta. Gutta means this. Gu.
Can I read?
Ka plus.
Ma'am. Ma'am, Anna Maria can read.
Anna Maria, read. Read.
Guy, cow, Gargosh, rabbit, Hathi, elephant, Ghoda, horse, Sher, lion, Balu, bear, Bandar, monkey, Bath, tiger, Billy, cat, Kutta, dog.
Yeah, very good. Now, Shravan is there. Shravan, unmute and read. Shravan, are you there? Did not listen. Shravan
Yes,
is there.
ma'am.
Can you read, Shravan? Read.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaldi padho.
Bag, tiger.
पहला गाय onwards. First onwards.
गाइल,
क्या है?
गाइल,
गाइल नो, गाय, गाय।
गाइल,
नेक्स्ट वर्ड श्रावण, रीड द नेक्स्ट वर्ड। रैबिट का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है?
खरगोश,
खरगोश। ओके, नेक्स्ट।
घोड़ा,
पढ़ो, घोड़ा। आफ्टर
हाथी,
हाथी। नेक्स्ट, कौन सा अक्षर है वो? लायन हिंदी वर्ड क्या है?
शेर,
शेर। या नेक्स्ट, पढ़ो, कौन सा अक्षर है वो? भा, भालू। रीड भालू। हु इज भालू?
भालू, भालू, बंदर, बाघ,
भाग,
बाघ, बिल्ली,
बिल्ली,
कुत्ता,
कुत्ता। Okay, children, now you learn 10 animals name. Okay, 10 जानवरों के नाम आपने पढ़ा. I will take a dictation in the next class. All should write and study these all words. And I'm going to give you some more work. Please take your, you all forget that matra. Take your rough book. You can copy this. Just write. Take. Which letter? This pa. Pa. Bha. Ha. Ma. Write it this 5 times. 5 times you have to write. After that, write pa, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu. You can add all the matra with this. Okay, pa, i, u, all matra. U, r, te, I, o, pau, pum. Complete this. First you have to write this 5 times. Okay, 5 times. After that, complete this pa. Next कौन सा अक्षर है? pha, bha, bha, ma. That you have to do homework. Okay. Complete with this all. This pa, pha, pi, pi. ऐसे complete करो. Now you can copy this first one. Pa, pha, bha, pha, ma. You have to write and study 5 times. After complete this pa, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu, pr, pe, pai, po, pau, pum. Then you can do this. Okay. Complete this all. This you can do after the class. First one you can complete. Second, third, fourth, and fifth you can do after the class. Do it. Copy it. I will ask you how to show me next class. All should complete it. Yadav, did you copy it? Ayush, did you complete?
Yes.
Did you completed that animal's name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you copied. Copied?
No.
Do it. Read and write. Pa, pha, ba, pha, ma. Should study that Vyanjanakshar, pa, varga. Children, read and write. Read and write. Those who are writing, please read pa, pa, pi, pi. Don't forget this all matra. Complete this after the class, okay? All should study animals name for dictation. Next class I will take the dictation. Nived completed. Nived. Adrinath completed. Copy it fast. Adrinath completed. Nived, unmute and read this. Pa. How to read Papa? Read.
Papa,
Pa,
papa,
pa, bha, pha, ma.
pu, pu, pa, pa.
Papa.
Papa, pipi, pu, pu, pai,
A. First A ki matra. A, I. Pe, pai. O.
pe, pai, po,
Pau.
au,
The same way you have to write this pa. You continue that bha. That also you have to continue. Understood, children? Did all copy it? Next class, what you want to study? We learn 10 animals name in Hindi. You have to write and study. Read 10 times, write it 10 times, and ready for the dictation. Next class, I will take a dictation and we will start new chapter. Okay, children?
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.